So in this video, let's just talk about multi-dimensional array and matrices in Python. So first of all, we're gonna import numpy as np. So first of all, let's just talk about multi-dimensional array. So let's just create the array. So np.array method, and inside that we're gonna pass all the elements. So the array will have two rows. So this is the first row, and after the comma we have the second row. So in the first row we're gonna have the elements 1, 2 and 3, and in the second row we're gonna have 4, 5 and 6. Now if we print this 2D array, so here we have the 2D array with two rows. So this is our 2D array. So let's now talk about different attributes of the array. So first of all, we can access the data type of this array, array name dot d type. Print this data type. So the data type of the array is integer. Similarly, also we have other attributes like number of dimension of our array using the ndim attribute. So you can see the array has 2 dimensions, and also we can print the shape of the array dot shape. So the array has 2 rows and 3 columns, and also we can print the size of the array. That means the total number of elements the array has. So we have to use array dot size attribute, and here the size is 6. So the array has total of 6 elements. And also let's just see how we can flatten array. That means how we can convert one array to 1D array. So this is one 2D array, so we can convert this to one 1D array very easily using the flatten method. So we can use the array, which is the 2D array, and we can use the flatten method, and this will convert our array to one dimensional array. So if we print this, so here is the array. So it was initially one 2D array. Using the flatten method, it has converted that into one dimensional array. And also we can reshape our array. So here we have converted the 2D array to 1D array. So we can store this. So the array is converted to one flat array. Now we can reshape this flat array, and we can convert this to any shape. We can convert this to 2D or even 3D. Let's now convert this to 2D. So we're gonna create array 2D. So we're gonna take this flatten array, and we're gonna use the reshape method. So the array will have 3 rows and 2 columns. Now if we print this 2D array, so here is the array. We have 3 rows and 2 columns. And also we can reshape our flat array to one 3D array also. So we're gonna create 3D array which will have 1 block, 2 rows and 3 columns. So it will have total of 6 elements. Now if we print our 3D array, so here we have this 3D array. So it has total of 1 block, and inside the block we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So let's now talk about matrices in Python. So first of all, let's just see how we can create one matrix from 2D array. So previously we have created this 2D array ARR. So we're gonna use this to create our matrix. So we're gonna create the matrix, and we're gonna use np.matrix method, and inside that we're gonna pass our 2D array, and then we can just print our matrix, and here is the matrix that we have created. Now there are multiple methods that we can apply on this matrix. Like in example, we can extract diagonal elements. So for this we can use the method matrix.diagonal, and this will return the diagonal elements. So let's just print this. So here is the output. So 1 and 5 are the diagonal elements, and also we can extract the minimum and maximum value from one matrix. So for this we can use the method matrix.min. So this will return the mean value. Also we can get the max value using the max method. So the minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 6. So let's now see how we can add two matrices. So here we have the matrix 1 and the matrix 2. So let's now see how we can add those two matrices. So adding two matrices is very easy and straightforward. So basically we can use m1 plus m2, and that's how we can add those two matrices. So if we print this, so here is our resultant matrix, which is the addition of these two matrices. Similarly also we can multiply two matrices. So we can multiply m1, we have to use the add sign m2, and this is how we can multiply two matrices. So if we print this, so this is the result of multiplication of these two matrices. So hope you understand about matrices and the multi-dimensional array in Python. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.